There's a fire, but no fire brigade. So tonight we losing this fight. So tonight.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Master Junior Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to get Oreo update in MIA1, and it is a official Oreo. So first of all you need to go to settings. I just show you I am running on Android 7.1.2. it's a no good. So I will show you how to get Oreo in this. So first go to settings and then go to apps. So it is right here. Just press on apps and you can see three dots right here. Just click on it and you can see here show system. I just zoom it for you guys. So press on show system and then scroll up and search for Google Play service. Google Play framework. So guys, it is right here, Google service framework. Just press on it and then go to storage and clear data. Press OK. Now just press home button and clear all the apps. After clearing, now just go down and go to settings and check for the update. So guys, you can see it says system update available. So it says Android 1, it's an Oreo update. You can see there it's for total 1107.4 MB. Just press on download, continue. So that's all guys, this is how you get Oreo update on your MIA1 right now, and it's a stable version of the MIA1 and it's Oreo. The download has been completed. Now it says it is installing the update, so we will wait for it. Until then I just skip the video. So guys, the update has been installed now. Now it says to restart your phone, so just press on to restart your phone. So guys, I just skip this until the boot up starts up. So guys, it's done. You can see right here it's saying finishing Android update. Sorry for the focus guys. So it says finishing Android update. This is the first boot up of Android Oreo on MIA1. Just press on OK if you see anything on your screen. Now guys, for your satisfaction, I show the Android version of your this device. So on settings, system, about phone, and you can see guys it's running on Android 8.0, and it is an official built by Xiaomi devices. Right, you can see right here it says system update, system. It says system update completed. Success, your phone just got fresher and more secure. Just press OK. It says, you can see right here, it is working on Android 8.0.0 and the security patch is 1st December 2017. It is not latest, but it is good. The latest security patch is of 5th December, so it is good, not as bad. So that's all guys for this video. I just show you guys by clicking this Android version right here. You can see guys, it's working on the Oreo. Just press on it, you can see an octopus right here. So I think the octopus doesn't want to come out, so just leave it guys. By this way you can get Oreo on your MI1 device. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please be subscribed to my channel for the more videos like this and previous, and subscribe and press the bell icon right there.